Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best mushroom jerky is probably one of the most innovative and delicious snacks to hit the market, especially after its appearance on Shark Tank, offering a plant-based alternative to traditional jerky that's packed with savory flavor and a satisfying chewy texture, making it a guilt-free indulgence for health-conscious snackers and adventurous foodies alike who are looking for something new and exciting to try. Number 5. The comfy original wearable blanket hoodie. Tired of blankets falling off? Introducing the revolutionary wearable blanket hoodie, designed for ultimate comfort and warmth. This patented design was a hit on Shark Tank for a reason. It's the perfect blend of a cozy blanket and a comfortable hoodie. Experience unparalleled coziness with its oversized Sherpa design. It's like wearing a cloud, providing warmth from head to toe. Designed to fit everyone, this wearable blanket offers a generous one-size-fits-all solution for maximum comfort. Looking for a thoughtful gift? It's the ideal present for both women and men, offering warmth and relaxation all year round. What we like? This is the ultimate cozy companion. If you love to snuggle up on the couch or need an extra layer of warmth without sacrificing mobility, this is for you. It's perfect for chilly evenings or anyone who enjoys ultimate comfort. What people say. This mushroom jerky is a great healthy snack option. The texture is surprisingly meaty and satisfying. It's a good source of plant-based protein. Number 4. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Discover the joy of growing your own delicious oyster mushrooms right in your kitchen. It's a fun and rewarding experience for everyone. Our kit uses only organic and non-GMO ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're growing and eating. Enjoy pure, natural flavor. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can harvest your own gourmet mushrooms. Just a little misting each day is all it takes. No green thumb needed. This kit makes it incredibly simple to grow fresh mushrooms indoors, no matter the season. Just open, spray, and watch them grow. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This grow kit is perfect for foodies, gardeners, and eco-conscious friends and family. It's a gift that keeps on giving. We're so confident you'll love growing your own mushrooms that we guarantee it. If you have any issues, we'll make it right. What we like? Experience the joy of growing your own food. If you're a beginner gardener, a foodie, or looking for a unique, educational gift, this kit is ideal. You can harvest fresh mushrooms right at home in just over a week. What people say. This mushroom jerky is a great healthy snack option. The texture is surprisingly meaty and satisfying, making it a good alternative to traditional jerky. It's seasoned well and has a good flavor profile that many people enjoy. Number 3. Clean Nutraceuticals 20-in-1 Mushroom Supplement. Discover the power of a comprehensive blend of 20 potent mushrooms. This supplement is designed to support your overall well-being and cognitive function. We've carefully selected a synergistic mix of turkey tail, reishi, cordyceps, and more. Each ingredient is chosen for its unique benefits. Enhance your focus and mental clarity with this advanced formula. It's crafted to help you perform at your best, every day. Strengthen your body's natural defenses. Our blend contains powerful antioxidants to help support a healthy immune system. Experience the purity of natural ingredients. This supplement offers a potent dose of mushroom goodness in every serving. Incorporate this easy-to-take supplement into your daily routine. It's the perfect addition to a healthy lifestyle for sustained vitality. What we like? Unlock the power of a comprehensive mushroom blend. If you're seeking to support your overall wellness and immune system with a wide array of beneficial fungi, this supplement is a great choice. It offers a potent mix of popular and effective mushroom varieties. What people say. The mushroom jerky is a great healthy snack option. It has a satisfying chewy texture and a savory flavor that mimics traditional jerky. The ingredients are simple and natural, making it a guilt-free indulgence. Number 2. LuminAID 2-in-1 Solar Camping Lantern and Phone Charger. Introducing the LuminAID 2-in-1. It's an ultra-bright solar lantern with multiple settings, perfect for any indoor or outdoor adventure. It also doubles as a phone charger, making it an essential companion. This all-in-one device is incredibly lightweight and compact. It easily expands into a lantern and packs down small, making it a must-have for any backpack. You can recharge it using its larger solar panel or via USB. Enjoy continuous light and power, no matter where your travels take you. With a powerful built-in battery, it can recharge your phone multiple times and provide up to 100 hours of light on a single charge. It's perfect for extended trips and everyday use. Designed to withstand the elements, it's waterproof, shatterproof, and durable. It can even float on water, making it ideal for any environment. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a power outage, this device is your reliable source of light and power. It's the perfect gift for any outdoor enthusiast. What we like? Stay powered and illuminated, anywhere you go. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a traveler, or preparing for emergencies, this device is a must-have. It provides reliable light and charges your phone using sustainable solar energy. What people say. This mushroom jerky is a fantastic, healthy snack option that is surprisingly delicious. The texture is chewy and satisfying, similar to traditional jerky, making it a great plant-based alternative. It's seasoned well with a savory flavor that makes it addictive and perfect for on-the-go snacking. Number 1. Think Jerky Turkey Sticks. Introducing Think Jerky's all-natural turkey sticks. They are the perfect guilt-free snack for your active lifestyle. Enjoy a clean and healthy snack option. These sticks are completely gluten and sugar-free, making them ideal for mindful eating. We believe in simple, wholesome ingredients. That's why our turkey sticks contain no added nitrates. Perfect for your specific dietary needs. They fit seamlessly into your keto and paleo lifestyle. Fuel your body with what it needs. These snacks are packed with high protein and low carbohydrates. Grab a convenient and satisfying meat snack on the go. Each stick is perfectly portioned for your convenience. What we like? Enjoy a guilt-free, protein-packed snack. If you follow a keto or paleo diet, or simply want a healthy, low-carb option, these turkey sticks are perfect. They are made with simple ingredients and contain no added sugar or nitrates. What people say. The mushroom jerky is a great snack for anyone looking for a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional jerky. It's made with all-natural ingredients and is packed with nutrients, making it a guilt-free indulgence. The texture is surprisingly similar to real jerky, and the flavor is rich and savory. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.